Tired of losing matches every day in games like Counter-Strike, PUBG, GTA 5 and etc. because your mouse sucks. So that problem will end now. So guys, today I'm going to show you one of the best gaming mouse at cheap price on the internet. So I hope that you will like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And recently we have completed our 100 subscribers. So without further waiting, let's unleash. Let's unbox it first. When you open the box, the only thing that present in it is the mouse only. No any adapters as it's a wire mouse. The name of the mouse is Dragonwar G1 Leviathon. So it costs 799 rupees, which is approximately equal to 12 or $13. The system requirements for this is Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP or Mac OS X. Fully saying that I have Windows 10 and it works in it. I am using this mic for over a month or two before uploading a video on it. So let's move to the DPI button. This mouse is available with 4-speed DPI. If you don't know about DPI, I am going to make a separate video on it, so don't forget to watch it. But for now, what DPI means is just dots per inches. Simply saying, it means that how much you move your mouse so that the cursor will move on the screen. The higher the DPI, the lesser you have to do the movement of your mouse and the cursor will move smoothly. Normal mouse have 800 DPI to 1600 DPI, but this mouse comes with 4 DPI sections. First is the 800 that is used in normal. If you click that DPI button, the scroll color changes. If you click it for the first time, it will change to one blue color, which means it is at 1600 DPI. If you touch it once more, it will turn red and the DPI will be 2400. And this is third time, if you touch it, the color will change to purple and the DPI will be 3200. So the mouse comes with 6 keys. Yeah, you heard me right, with 2 programmable keys. The first 2 are the normal ones, left and right, and the third is the scroll. Fourth is what I have told you before, that's a DPI button from which you can change the DPI of the mouse, so that confuses the 4. And there are 2 additional buttons. It is on the left side of the mouse. You can use it in gaming also or for moving pictures. There is one upward and one downward button in it. You can program it for various softwares or games, such as you can use this button in a sketch software or something like that, or like in Call of Duty, Counter Strikes for changing it to reload or some firearms. So it has a Avagoid gaming sensor and it weighs approximately 50 to 60 grams. It has a gold plated USB connector. One another thing is that the mouse changes its color. Yeah, changes to all the Vigor colors which are in rainbow, and it looks amazing when you turn off the lights of your room and start playing games. It gives a cozy like view and also makes you feel like a pro gamer, even though skill matters. So now let's move with my personal review. So the build quality of the wire is amazing. It's a threaded wire and it is not easy to break. The mouse design is very good for gaming purpose and your hand can perfectly fit on it. As my hand size is normal one, so I can tell that. And the additional buttons are also good. They do not make noise, such as I have heard that to buy other gaming mouses, you get the additional keys that are very loose. But here the keys are tight and you can't hear the noise of clicking it. And that's also with the left and right click. They are amazing. It makes you feel like clicking it all a day. So that concludes my video. See you next time. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.